Hi, welcome back to the Pascalivo Kitchen Cuisine. My name's Noelle. Today we're going to be making a citrus apple crisp. So let's get started. Okay, so on this cutting board, I have 5 pounds of apples that I peeled and cored and cut into just some, pretty basic sized wedges. And you can use whatever variety you like. I got a little mix. There's some Opal, Pink Lady, Envy apples, and a couple Granny Smith too. I like a variety. In here I got 2 tablespoons of orange juice and then the zest of 1 orange too. We're also going to do 2 tablespoons of the winter ambrosia vinegar. This is a great one for our holiday dishes with the pears, apples, and mulling spices in here. Also going to do 2 tablespoons of the lemon olive oil as well. Okay, and then we got the sugar and spice blend. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of this too. Also got half a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. We're just going to mix this all up. Okay, so we're just going to toss all these ingredients together. And then we're going to work on the crumble part next. Okay, so I got a 9 by 12 inch baking dish right here. Just going to add in the apples. And I already buttered the baking dish too, by the way. Cool. Let's cover that all evened out. Set this aside and we'll get going on the crumble. Okay, so for the crumble topping, we got 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 a cup of white sugar, and then 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar, 1.5 cups of flour. Got half a pound or 2 sticks of cold unsalted butter, which has been diced. And then we're gonna put just a pinch of salt in here too. Okay, now that we got all the ingredients for the crumble in here, I'm gonna use this pastry blender just to mix everything together and get the butter into, kind of incorporated into everything. You want the crumble to kind of be in pea-sized pieces. You can also use like a stand electric mixer and mix it on low. I'm gonna do it the hard way. Okay, all right, so I got everything mixed up in here. As you can see, the crumble, like we got some bigger pieces of the butter, but none of them are bigger than that, which is perfect because the butter kind of melts in between the apple slices and it's delicious. So we're just gonna put this on top of our baking dish right here, and then bake it in the oven at 350 for an hour. And then you're good to go. And it's absolutely mandatory to top it with vanilla ice cream, by the way.